Good morning to all of you. Interpretation class. Sir, please, in my previous video, I have given the beautiful case, Hayden's case. Now we are going to discuss the mischief rule cases one by one. Very important case, Alamgir Vs State of Bihar, 1959. The discussion is regarding Section 498 of the Indian Penal Code. Section 9490 says, whoever entices, whoever takes away, whoever detains. So, any woman who is not married to him and who is the wife of another person, he is liable for punishment under Section 498 of the Indian Penal Code. Of course, present Joseph Stein versus Unified Judgment 2018, it gives a waiver to Section 497 IPC, but whatever it is, since it happened in the year 1959, let us say that, let us think that 498 is there. Right. Here, Alamgir, actually, he has enticed another man's wife. A case was booked against him. When the matter came to the court, that particular woman, she is saying that she is not at all detained by Alamgir. She willfully came to him. She volunteered to join him. She is not happy with her husband. So therefore, whether it is a case of 498 IPC or not. So what is the mischief here? So mischief is the person, the woman cannot be convicted, number one. Because the parliament has protected her rights, even though she does the wrong thing, even though she says with another woman, another man, she cannot be punished. That is one. That is the act is made, so we cannot do anything. Then whether this topic comes under detention or not. When the woman says she willingly came, where is the detention? But court said it is detention. Because the act is made or the particular provision is made to remedy the mischief of depriving the husband of the company of his wife in the society. Wife is supposed to live with the husband. So it is a protective right given to the husband. So consent or willingness by the particular woman with the Alamgir is irrelevant. So therefore he has to be punished. See how beautifully the court has interpreted. Then another case, Smith versus Hugh, that is 1960. Now this is a case relating to Street Offences Act 1959. So here, presently in our India, we discuss the case of 294 IPC. Whenever a woman solicits any passer-by, she is liable for a punishment under Section 294. Likewise, Street Offences Act. If any woman seduces any person going along the street, it is an offense. But here, the woman, what she has done, the prostitute, she has clapped from the window or she has seduced the man going along the street from the balcony or from the window, from the upstairs. Whether the upstairs come under street offense or not. Now, the court elaborated. The court expanded the meaning of Street Offences Act. So please remember, by applying the mischief rule, please remember, the act is intended to clean up the streets. To clean up the streets, what for? To enable the walkers, to enable the people to walk along the streets without being molested or solicited by the prostitutes. Yes, offense. It is an offense. Right? So likewise, so many other cases are there. So anyway, please remember mischief rule, which is an important rule. Particularly, you will get, I am sure, Hayden's case, I am sure you will get a question on this. So please remember, దాంట్లో వాడికి ఓటరీ కాలేజీలో హేడెన్కి ఈజ్ ఎ కాంట్రాక్టర్. యాక్చువల్గా తగాదంతా మిస్టర్ వేర్ మీద వచ్చింది. సో ఆ తగాదంతా లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో చెప్పాను, మీరు దయచేసి దానంతా వినండి. అండ్ మిస్chiefలో రంజిత్ విజేసి కేసు కూడా అప్పుడప్పుడు రావడానికి ఛాన్స్ ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే ఈవెన్ ఐ టోల్డ్ యూ ఇన్ ద లిటరల్ ఇంటర్ప్రిటేషన్, రంజిత్ విజేసి వర్సెస్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ మహారాష్ట్ర 1965. లేడీ చార్టర్లీస్ లవర్ బుక్ వాడి దగ్గర దొరికింది. దొరికినప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ నాట్ ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ అన్నాడు, కోర్టు ఒప్పుకోలేదు. Then when a banned book is there, you are supposed to not to sell the same. Mere possession itself is an offense under the Section 292 IPC. We can't do anything. The bare act. So literal interpretation is clearly telling that even though you are not educated, you are supposed to you are supposed not to sell the particular novel which is banned by the government. So sale of obscene literature was to be remedied by this provision. Of course, even mere possession itself is sufficient. That's all. I think in my 2 or 3 videos back I made that case also. But anyway, these are the case laws relating to Mischief rule. Please read them and enrich your legal knowledge. With this, I am concluding. Thank you very much.